the KUXIU magnetic wireless charging stand, 3-in-1. This is I think it's about £75 at the moment. It's normally 20 quid or so more expensive than that. So there we go. All right, so these are the things that were rattling around. Oh dear. KUXIU, just improve your packaging. Your products are great. Improve your packaging. So this is the X23Q. It's the 15-watt faster charging, and it has a magnetic alignment here. So it's essentially MagSafe, but it's using Qi 2 technology. That on there, that on there, that was on there. Nice and neat. And there we go. USB-C, obviously, as everything should be these days. A nice braided cable, a little very similar to Apple's cable that comes in the box for their devices nowadays. Probably about 1 meter long, I would imagine. Yeah, maybe. Rubberized section, rubberized here. So your phone isn't going to get scratched, whether it's in the case or not. And then it's got some nice rubber feet here to stop this thing moving around wherever you place it, whether it be on your desk or indeed your nightstand. Yeah, where's the USB-C? There you go. And it's got a little indicator light there that it would plug into. Why don't we just try it? Just make sure it works all good and fine and dandy. How light is that? Okay. Probably wouldn't disturb me too greatly. It's not on the front, because I hate things in my not on my nightstand that have got little tiny lights on. They'll wake me up regardless. So there's no magnetic connection there, but it finds it very easily. Let's have a look. Yeah, charging, and then my phone, my watch. I suppose it gives you those number of different charging outlets for power for your phone, because it depends whether you have these things connected as well, because it needs to utilize the same, the power that's coming in, the power that's giving out needs to be then shared between all these different devices here. I guess it's supposed to be like that really, isn't it? So there you go. And will that go into nighttime mode? Yeah, there you go. All right, wonderful. That works really, really well. Great.